MeghalayaPost.news.
Pulit ki iskhasil somtang bakilara ban Phah Pyndam Ruh yak anticipatory bail yaki khalwingut bakantup yo Rangbah snong ki balayo Jamin anticipatory bail granted halor kajing sha kanno bakidon kiti ban penyap yo trophimus Khlong Maulo hagasnong Pynter bat ki pulit ki pan boru na kakasuri ban Khlong Biang kamet utai Rangbah balada bantam na kabanta kajing tokit kababnia halor katai kajing ja yakanil pan paudo superintendent of police ka iskhasil suba vivek sim habakran skilan pathai kubor kabade halor kajing klat no utai Rangbah hakanyau tarik yong arhajar arpun rio Ulong ru de hadian bladep ika postmortem examination ngin sa simrai ban kerpan na kabantaban pendam no ya ketika anticipatory bail jong kiti kharwingut bakan thup yo Rangbah snong ki balayo Jamin na ka kasuri jong ka district council kon ki pulit kin simrai ru ka de hadian bau kupa jong tu Rangbah balakno sha penyam ula ujor da ka ejahar haga santarik ujemang haga balakno bau khun jong ula sha bom sha tiet ha Rangbah snong bat kit khat ka VDP ka snong Pynter ula ya thuru baki pulit kelayo pedang ya ka ejahar haga santarik ujemang na kupa jong tu bo sha penyam Blatip kerteng kumnet no biwek kongsdo hakbakan ni kajingja kalaja kanyo tarik uyayong arajar arpun rio bau kupa ula keno bau khun ula sabom satiet haurang ba snong bat ki VDP susu ula banrap ru da kabaong bagi pulit kila dep register case hapen ursla police station ban nakaliang ki pulit kin sapan boru na kakashari na kabantaban Khlong Biang kamen utai Rangbah na kabanta kajing tokit kababnia halor kani kajingja.
We had received an FIR on the 5th of May from the father of the deceased, namely Trophimus Khlong Maulo, 30 years, who had died in this incident. The father's name is Netne Biwet Kongsdo, and this incident happened on the 7th of April, where it was alleged that his son was assaulted by the headman and members of the VDP. Following this complaint, we have registered a case of murder and in Pulit police station. We have also prayed to the court to exhume the body of Trophimus Khlong Maulo, and the date for exhumation will be fixed by the SDO Civil Punusla. Following the exhumation, we will conduct a spot postmortem, and following the findings of the postmortem, we will then take a decision what to do ahead. Of course, the investigation of the case is on and is in progress. 11 people have actually gone and received anticipatory bail in the district council court. After the postmortem only we will be able to take a call whether we will move appeal for cancellation of the anticipatory bail.
Any special investigation?
As of now, no. It is though it is monitored by the SDPO Punusla and SP City, but we will take a call after the postmortem to ascertain whether the death was caused by the assault by the headman and VDP members. No, see, all VDPs have been instructed, made aware, and have also taken an oath actually to uphold the law, to work in tandem with the police, and to inform the police on any incident. In this isolated incident, the VDP has actually not informed the police and allegedly taken the law into their own hands. So we will wait for the postmortem whether it is a fact that the death was due to assault.
So anybody was questioned initially?
As of now, since these people have got bail, first we will wait for the postmortem, then take a call up.
Mana
MeghalayaPost.news.